You can control all of your safety features with the drive assist display here in front of the steering wheel. Once you get to your settings, you will go to your driver assistance menu. Here you will see all of your safety features displayed, and you can turn each one on or off individually depending on what your preference is. You have your lane departure, your blind spot, emergency braking for the front and for the rear, as well as a few other aids. You have your parking aids there as well. You can control the volume, the distance, so you can set everything to your own preference. You also have your driver attention alertness, and everything else that can be adjusted on this driver assist display would be here on your driver assistance. Your blind spot is located here on your A-pillar on both the right and the left hand side of the car. Once you have a car in your blind spot area, it will light up orange every single time, whether you have your signal on or off. If you put your signal on, it will beep at you and flash at you if there is a vehicle in the adjacent lane before moving on to the next lane. The sensors are also used when you're going in reverse with rear cross traffic alert. If a car is approaching from either side of the vehicle, that sensor will be going off. It'll be beeping and flashing at you to alert you that there's a car approaching before you continue to back up. Behind your rearview mirror, there is a little camera here that helps with some of the driver assistance technologies. The camera will detect human form, so that if you are in a case where a person, such as a little kid, runs in front of you, it will detect human form and apply the brakes. It only works from speeds of about 3 to about 35, so it's intended for school zones or neighborhoods. The camera is also used for lane departure warning. It detects the markings on the side of the road. If the markings aren't clear, the camera won't be able to pick them up. Also, if it's raining and your windshield wipers are on low or high, it will interfere with the camera, so it will not be able to activate the system.